This is BENINCA remote, BENINCA TOGO A. Okay. This is A. So I'm going to show you how to program this. So this remote is not working now. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to program this. To program this, you need to open the receiver. So remove the two screws. Open the receivers. And there is a button 1 and 2. Okay. Just press the 1 for 1 second. And press the remote. Just wait 2 seconds. Try. That's it. If you want to program more remotes, you can still do same. I'll show you how to do again. Another one. So press the button like this one. Number 1. There is a 1 and 2. Just press the number 1 for 1 second. And press the remote. And try. That's it. So this is the way to program BENINCA TOGO A. Thank you.